Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you guys through the process of creating a Discord account on your Windows computer. So if you're using the Discord app for PC, just go ahead and download the Discord application directly from the developer's website. And then once it's installed on your computer, you will have to open it up. So just give it a second here. And then you would select where it says need an account register at the bottom. Go ahead and select that. And then you go ahead and insert your email, display name, username, assuming it hasn't already been taken, password, as well as your birthday. And then you would select continue, and then you would have created an account. You probably do need to verify your email address once the account's been created, but that's pretty much it. As always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.